Hey, what's up? How's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw a cute version, well, a heart cute version of an Among Us crewmate. So it's going to be easy, simple, for beginners. I'm going to be using this regular printer paper, and I'm also going to be using this marker. You can use anything you want if you want to join in, draw with me, or you can just watch, chill out, and sit back. So let's get started. Bom, bom, bom. I'm going to have a curved line here. It's going to be part of the heart here. Pulling in. All right. Over here, curved line around here, down. And this is gonna be the crewmate's visor, that thing he looks out of, and normally it's shaped like a pillow, it's shaped like a pill, it's shaped like an egg, right? It's just this round shape, well, round kind of boxy shape, but this time I'm gonna make a heart version of it. So that's kind of the biggest difference in this. It's gonna be more of a heart version right there. So that's gonna be the biggest difference. So I'm gonna go in here, draw onto the forehead, curve over here, so top of the head, and that's gonna go around down. All right, so I'm gonna pull a curve here, and I'm gonna draw a straight line all the way down. All right, all the way down, all the way down, all the way down, and then I'm gonna go over here to the front, and I'm gonna start a straight line there for the front of the body. Straight. All the way down. Okay. Gonna curve over here for the bottom of the foot. And then go over here. Curve on the bottom of the foot. Straight up for one leg, straight up for the other leg. It looks like little marshmallows there stuck to a larger marshmallow. And I'm gonna pull in. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, by the way, and click that bell icon. The bell icon's the only thing that's gonna tell you that I post videos. I post 2 videos a day on the weekday, and it's kind of changing up sometimes, so it's gonna be wise to subscribe. And when the bell icon will let you know when I post. Ready? Curve underneath. And now you have the body here, and you have that, and it's just like a heart shape right with that crewmate. So next time we're gonna go into the backpack, and the backpack is usually halfway between the lowest point and the highest point of, well, it's gonna be a little difficult, but I would still take the midway point of this heart, wherever you think that may be. Go back here, put a line. Go down here, the lower part of the body, and that's the bottom of the backpack. And now we're going to connect it in one shot. So the idea about connecting it in one shot is, you don't have to, by the way. You can draw it in small doses if you need that. Like so. Like I kind of do that myself, plenty. So the backpack is right there. And that's essentially the oxygen bag that is going on, right? Okay, and if you want, you can kind of repair some lines, just chill out. Among Us is such a cool, it's such a cool game, and the idea is that their designs are so cool. That's, it's awesome that their design's so cool. Next thing over here, I'm gonna start drawing so what would make this more heart-esque? I'm gonna draw little hearts around here, and I've talked about this. I like drawing small shapes around stuff. I think it makes it look cute. He looks very superhero-esque, almost. Kind of almost reminds me of Samus from, from Metroid a little bit. Maybe I should do a Metroid version of this. I'm sure I will over time. Over here. I'm going to put little hearts all over the place, and that kind of gives you the motif, right? I want that motif to be obvious. That it's a heart-shaped one, but I mean it's already obvious. But I'm gonna put little ones over here maybe as well. You can do like 1 or 2. But yeah, picking. By the way, as soon as you draw a lot of these Among Us characters, when you draw a lot of crewmates or imposters, start experimenting with how much you can stretch their design, right? And that's pretty much done. That's it, like, as far as the drawing goes. But I will talk to you a little bit about design. So this is the extra part, by the way. You don't have to stay here for this, or this is complete. You don't have to stay here for it. But I do want to talk to you a little bit. So as far as design goes, I want you to push your ability to do that, and it makes it fun. It makes it funner to do that. Like, make your own version of, a crewmate. Like, put your own twist into it. What is, like, think of a twist. Like, what could you do that might be unique, that maybe somebody hasn't done? And that's how you get a lot of these really creative art pieces online. So kind of think to yourself, what could you do to do that? That's kind of a, like maybe a thinking exercise you can do. Could you maybe make a different kind of imposter? Could you, there's a lot to do, honestly. So just think about it. Maybe sketch some ideas in your sketchbook. But when you start doing that, you're going to start activating parts of your mind that don't normally happen for this. You know what I mean? So that's going to be essentially very vital. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to show you a couple of drawings that I've done through, as far as before. I'm going to end with a couple of drawings, so check out the next few drawings coming up right now.